Welcome to the channel, friends. So today's video is going to be covering the Lux Pro Programmable Thermostat, and this model here is the PCP511LC. This also covers the 511C, and we're going to be talking about fully programming the device to follow a temperature schedule. Now, I also have videos covering other aspects of manual override, factory reset, lockout screen, and as well as setup options in the setup menu, and covers a lot of the hidden stuff that you're not going to see. But anyways, this is going to be covering programming the device. Alright, so programming the device is super simple. You're going to go ahead and open up your front panel, and you're going to expose this speed dial. This is the Lux speed dial. It's going to break down the programming into two different blocks. So this device does your 5-day weekday schedule and then your 2-day weekend schedule. You want to make sure you're in heat or cool when you do this. That way you actually set the program. So we have it in heat, and we're going to take it from run, and we're going to actually switch it to set time and date. So we want to first make sure we have the proper day and the proper time. And you go ahead and use the up and down arrow, and then to set your day, and then you hit next to go to the time. You want to go ahead and set your time. And then once you do that, we can go and just go back to run. And then now we're going to go to program weekend, program weekday. So let's start with that. So as you see the format here, it's going to give you Monday through Friday, and there's 4 periods of the day. It's going to start off with asking you about what time do you want to start at. So you're going to go ahead and adjust that. Once you've established that, you want to go ahead and forward and hit the next button. Then it's going to allow you to adjust the set point temperature that you want for that time period of the day. Once you figure that out and set that, we're going to just leave it on 70. Hit next. And then the next thing that happens is that it cycles from morning to day. So it's going to have 4 periods of the day. It's going to continue through each 4 periods of the day until you set up both the time that it starts at as well as the set point temperature that you want it to hold during that period of that day. So once you continue and just kind of cycle through this, this might take some time to figure out. Might take take weeks, might take months, but you can go in here and adjust it as needed. And you just cycle through this and make your adjustments for time and then your set point. And then once you finish that, you're going to want to go now to the weekend and do the same thing. And the same thing here, it's going to give you a Saturday and Sunday block option. This is only going to cover those 2 days, and that's it. It's kind of simple how they do it because they break it up into weekday and weekend. It's kind of nice, and it's really easily adjustable with this, so you don't have to go through a menu. But anyways, same thing here. Set your time, and then set your set point, and using your up and down arrow, and then cycle through it with the next button, just like that. Very simple. And then when you're done programming, you want to go ahead and switch this to run. Put it back in run, and you're ready to go. So that there is the simplest way to program. You also want to consider that you need to go ahead and do your cooling schedule as well. That's a completely separate schedule. It's not going to be the same. So don't forget about that. I just want to mention that really quick. So go through that process, set your cooling schedule, and then you can leave it in the off position or whatever. But let's go leave it in cool since we're in the summertime right now. And simple as that. We have it in run. It's ready to go. And that's all you have to do to actually program this device. I do have other videos that cover all sorts of different other topics. The setup menu, like I said, the lockout screen, factory override, factory reset, as well as the setup options. All sorts of different topics that covers this thermostat and all its in-depth options and functions. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for the videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.